legit just got this mouse today and I wanted to shoot the video on the same day. I don't usually do this. I usually hold off a week or two to make a proper flow, get the script done, and get the whole setup correct. But this one's special. As you all know, Logitech has the super famous MX line that features both the MX keys and the MX Master. What I currently have is the MX Master 2S, which you might have seen in a lot of my videos. It's a bit dated since there's already an MX Master 3, which we have today. But this isn't just a regular MX Master 3, it's the special one that's made for Mac. Since I'm an Apple fanboy, I really wanted to check this one out, even if it's just for a review. We have a white box unlike the regular black box that we get from Logitech, so sadly there's no teal touches over here. So this white box is already giving a lot of Apple vibes for me. Alright, standard procedure once again, let's run through the box. So over in the front, we see MX Master 3, specially for Mac. Then we see that this is part of the Master line and it's compatible with the iPad. Alright, so what else is in the back of this box? Logitech always talks about productivity and the MX Master is super famous for comfort and support since it has an ergonomic grip. So let's wait no further, let's unbox this thing already because we still have a bunch of other things to do. Sorry, I forgot to get the cutter. We can pause that. I don't think it's here, man. Where's the cutter? Ayun! Found the cutter. So I think we have to pull this tab over here. Wow, look at this. There's an MX branding here on the front and it looks so clean. We see a black on black touch by Logitech and it looks so premium if you ask me. Okay, so let's lift this up to see what's inside the box. Wow. Alright, we got the mouse here already and let's check out what's inside the box. We have a small part for the charger. So this thing is in the special Logitech gray. Coming from the MX Master 2S mouse, it finally has a USB Type-C charger over here. Because the old one, the 2S, actually used a micro USB instead. Let's put this aside first so that we can check the mouse out. Yo, wait, there's no more unifying dongle. In my opinion, that's such an Apple thing to do. I guess since it's gonna be used for Mac, there's no need for that anymore. Over here in the back, it says that you can connect the mouse either through Bluetooth or I guess this USB Type-C cable which they gave over here, and it still has the easy switch capabilities via Bluetooth. Alright, great design. Now let's give this mouse a quick test. MX line once again shows off the amount of customizations you can make with the mouse. So this starts off with all of the buttons that it has. So starting from this horizontal scroll wheel over here to the buttons here on the side. On the top of the wheel, we have the gestures button and the scroll wheel and the regular left and right buttons. All customizable in the Logi Options app in our computers. You can assign shortcuts to a certain app or change up the controls of the buttons. It's all really up to you. Honestly, it just feels like my MX Master 2S over here. I don't think there's much difference from the two. Except that this MX Master 3 for Mac looks more expensive. The scroll wheels, both horizontal and vertical, now give off a metal vibe. Unlike the MX Master 2S, which was kinda plastic, this looks much more premium. I honestly see no reason to replace my MX Master 2S mouse to this 3, unless of course maybe you're coming from the Apple Magic Mouse, which is not the best mouse in general, then this might be the best replacement you can get. After my research, this mouse also works exactly the same way on Windows, so if you love the colorway and you don't really need that unifying dongle that they always offer, go get this mouse. Surprisingly, I actually have nothing to say about this mouse. I mean, it's not a bad product. It's just the same great product. Honestly, I don't think there's any mouse better. It's a great move by Logitech since Mac users are usually locked in the Magic Mouse. Seeing something that's really compatible with Mac would really entice them in my opinion. Also, since we're stuck at home all day, whether it's from work or online classes, this might be the perfect companion to help you out with that. If you like this short video, give me a like, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.